Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do mid-month reading for the month of October. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. I am doing for Capricorn at sign. So this is general. So let's see your recent past Capricorn. Tower, Devil, Two of Pentacles, Seven of Cups. Yeah, I think you or your person could be in lot of confusion. Seven of Cups and Two of Pentacles. Definitely there is some tower movement. For some there is separation between both of you because the tower with the devil. Definitely there is separation. It could be partial or it could be temporary or permanent, what may be. But yes, definitely one person may be in juggling state. They are in confusion with Seven of Cups with Two of Pentacles. Definitely one person in confusion. That's why the tower. I think there are some commitment issues. One person may be in confusion, not committed. That's why there is some tower movement is happened between both of you in past. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Capricorn. Four of Wands, Three of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, Justice, another deck, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. For some this could be third party situation. That's why the tower moment is happened between both of you. One person is concentrating on their career, and I think due to third party you stand by your power, Capricorn. Nine of Pentacles, it's you with Justice. It's you, Capricorn. You cut your person because due to third party whatever, you want this with your person, but there is no honesty. For some it could be third party. For some it could be very misunderstandings, whatever. For some, only very few there could be third party situation, but you stand by your power now. Justice with Nine of Pentacles. For some your person wants second chance with you. Let's see your person near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Yes, Ten of Swords, Page of Swords, Six of Cups, Four of Cups. They want rebirth in this connection and they are spying on you on social media, and they are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you in past. Four of Cups with Six of Cups. Definitely they want reconciliation with you, and they are feeling strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Definitely they are spying on you on social media and they want rebirth in this connection. Ten of Swords. Your person feeling like without you. This. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you, Capricorn. It's up to you. Now ball is in your court. You have to make decision. If you want to give your person second chance, it's up to you. If it is not, it is also, it's up to you. So let's see. Let's pull some cards regarding the connection from the universe, where it is headed. Understanding. Sorrow. Adventure. Last card, Projection, Seven of Cups. Yeah, your person may be in some confusion state. Another day, clinging of the past. This is Five of Cups. Definitely they are feeling very sad for the separation. Yeah, sorrow. I think in connection card you both feeling sad for the, even you stand by your power. Definitely you also feeling sad. I think particularly your person feeling very sad. I think adventurous means Page of Pentacles and understanding means Page of Cups. Definitely some communication, you both will communicate. These are communication cards. Some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Projections, confusions are getting closed in near future. your person want reconciliation. Definitely in this connection, definitely near future there will be communication. At least there will be communication. Reconciliation is up to you, Capricorn. You have to give, if you want to give second chance to your person, it's total up to you. Definitely your person is waiting for reconciliation. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.